expected to do anything different.
Stay there until I tell you to. You understand?
Am I already doing that?
I'm asking you if you
Oh,
understand.
wait, hold on, officer.
I'm asking if you understand.
Hey, guess what? I don't like cops.
That's okay.
I am doing exactly... Are you serious right now?
22 taser deployed.
For Karens, an attitude isn't just a bad look, it's a fast track to serious consequences. In today's episode, we uncover the story of a woman whose arrogance and defiance didn't just push boundaries, it shattered them. What started as an argument spiraled into chaos, landing her in hot water with felony charges that could change her life forever. What happens when an entitled attitude meets the long arm of the law? Stay tuned for a shocking turn of events. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to Cop's Dream for more jaw-dropping moments of crime and justice. On May 25th, 2023, the police stopped a vehicle with malfunctioning headlights. The driver, a woman, appeared defensive and uncooperative when asked for her license, registration, and insurance. Officers noticed the smell of alcohol on her breath, erratic behavior, and difficulty answering simple questions.
Yes.
Yes? Okay, because I noticed they were going off and on, off and on. Do you have your license, registration, insurance?
Here's my license. Need my insurance?
Yes, ma'am, and your registration. Where are you guys heading?
Home.
Home? Where are you coming from?
Registration, insurance, I'm pretty sure you can look up.
Okay.
Okay,
Where are you guys coming from?
we're local. We're going home.
Yeah, but from where?
What do you mean? What is that information? You have my license and registration.
There's no reason
What
to
else
get
do you
mad at
need?
me. I'm just asking.
Okay, we'll go search that.
Hey, stop.
License and registration.
Stop
is
right
what you
now.
need.
Okay? I'm asking because I smell something sweet coming from your breath. Okay? You're turning off and on your lights. You made a dramatic stop. Okay? You're showing signs of impairment. To just rule that out the quickest way and ask you where you're coming from and you want to get an attitude.
I'm
Okay?
not trying an attitude.
And
Thank you.
When I'm standing here and I'm trying to talk to you,
So
don't roll
thank
up your
you,
window.
officer. I'm not trying an attitude.
Okay.
I am not getting aggressive with video this.
Go ahead. It's
I
on
will.
video. It's on video.
I am not
Right
getting
here.
aggressive with you.
Okay.
I gave
I'll
you
be
my
right back with ya.
registration and license.
I'll be right back with you. Oh, I'm pretty sure she's impaired.
Sweet.
All right, Megan. Can we try this again?
With what?
A little bit more polite on both ends, okay?
On both ends.
On both ends. I'm saying on both ends.
Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. So where are you coming from?
We are coming from hanging out for the evening.
So I've already explained to you. You're
Do you
showing
need me to
signs.
step out of the car?
I'm going to ask you a question here. You're showing signs of impairment. Would you be willing to carry roadsides for me?
I honestly am just trying to go home.
I get that. I get that.
Yeah, okay, whatever you need.
We're going to step over here. I'm going to close your door because I don't want it to get sideswiped and damaged, okay?
Sideswiped and damage
Well,
from what?
there's a traffic
Okay.
sign right here. Okay, so I'm going to have you step over here out of the roadway so that you're safe as well, okay?
What do you need?
I'm going to have you step over here so we're out of the roadway because I have to
I
have
was just in the roadway and I stepped out of it.
out of the roadway.
Okay.
Over here, where
What
my light
do you
is.
need? Oh, whoa, woohoo. Do you need me to step on the... Come on.
You got anything?
You guys crazy.
Hey.
You're literally assaulting a fucking local individual.
First, her conduct could be charged under Florida Statute 303-16.60210, which requires vehicles to be in safe operating condition. The violation carries a civil traffic citation with fines typically ranging from $30 to $60, plus administrative fees. Additionally, her resistance during the arrest violated Florida Statute 843.2, which makes it illegal to obstruct or resist an officer performing their lawful duties. This is classified as a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail, 1 year of probation, and fines of up to $1,000. If the resistance causes serious harm or endangers the officer, more severe charges may apply.
Individual when I'm just trying to go home. And you all are horrible Mountain Home police officers.
asked you if you'd be
What's your
willing-
name? Let me see your ID. I want your card right now.
I'm Corporal Steele.
What are you?
I'm Corporal Steele.
And what's your badge number?
1761.
1761?
1964.
17. I need to write this down.
Okay. Are you going to do these roadsides or not for me?
You know what? What do you need? I'm in heels.
Okay. We'll take that into consideration.
Great.
Okay. What I need from you right now is to go ahead and stand heel to heel, toe to toe with your hands by your side. Okay?
Okay, so heel to heel in my heels.
Or is that your
Toe to
set?
toe.
Okay, I want you to remain in that position until I...
When asked to perform field sobriety tests, the woman refused to cooperate, citing discomfort from wearing high heels. Her behavior escalated, eventually turning into physical resistance. During the struggle, she kicked an officer.
Do you understand?
Am I instructed to do anything different?
Stay there until I tell you to. Do you understand?
Am I already doing that?
I'm asking you if you
Oh,
understand.
wait, hold on, officer.
I'm asking if you understand.
Hey, guess what? I don't like cops.
That's okay.
So you know what? I'm gonna sit here and...
You're under arrest for suspicion of driving while intoxicated.
I am absolutely fine.
Stop.
What are you doing? I'm local.
Stop resisting.
Hold on.
I
This
said
is
you're under arrest.
not okay. No, I'm not intoxicated.
You're
You
on the ground.
are insane.
I'll just taser.
Hold on. I'm standing here.
No, you're about to get tased if you don't stop.
You're
about to get tased if you don't stop.
Your back.
Put your hands behind your back or you're getting tased. Do you understand?
Oh, exactly. Are you serious right now?
22 taser deployed.
Why are you tasing me? You crazy fuck. Why are you tasing me?
You're resisting.
I am not. I am
Henry, there
not
is a passenger
resisting, you
passed out in that car.
psychos.
Hi. How are you?
Good, Harry.
Good.
You guys are
Stop
aggressive.
resisting.
Oh, guess what? I'm not resisting. I'm not even resisting.
You're hammered.
Why's your friend so fired up? What do you mean? You don't see her? You didn't see her fighting with 4 officers? You didn't notice that? Yes, she just got tased and tackled in the parking lot. You missed all that? Are you all headed home or?
Yeah.
Okay.
What the fuck is going on?
I just told you, you're under arrest for...
You guys are absolutely
Well impaired.
insane. You had 12 cops
All right,
here?
Megan. You got anything on you? It's gonna poke, stick, or stab me.
This action resulted in a charge of second-degree battery on a law enforcement officer under Florida Statute 784.7 N2 PF. This is a second-degree felony, punishable by up to 15 years in prison, 15 years of probation, and fines of up to $10,000.
Okay.
You guys are insane.
All right.
Mountain home. Mountain home. You guys, I'm a fucking awesome.
No, you're not.
Do you have somebody that is able to come pick you up?
Yes.
Okay. How far is home? I'm sorry?
Road.
You're at 62 in Commerce Drive, so by Pizza Hut.
What?
You have your ID?
You need my concealed?
No. Just need that. You don't have a firearm on you at this time?
Yes.
Is it in your purse?
Yes.
Okay, just leave it in your purse. All right. Just leave it in the purse, and I'm happy.
Okay.
If you got somebody that can pick you up, if you want to call
I
them and
sure
get them headed. I was like, you see what's? She had no clue.
No,
No clue.
That's why I just...
Did she just kind of snap when she started doing field sobriety?
She snapped to me the second I went up to the window, tried to go out the window. I said, I'll be right back. I was waiting for Wright. Wright got here. Both of us. I said, because, you got snippy, I got snippy. I said, so let's restart this. I said, so would you do roadside? She says, yes. She comes back here. I said, I would like you to come to this parking lot over here so we're out of the roadway. She started yelling, blah, blah, blah. I started. I said, heel to heel, toe to toe, arms at your side. I said, don't move until I instruct you to do so. Do you understand? And she just went off, and I was like, we're done. Yeah. And then she started fighting us.
I don't want you to keep reaching a person with a gun in there.
Yeah, that's fine.
So you need to call somebody to come get you.
Do you have a phone?
I'm gonna go get
It is not in here. In my purse.
Your phone is not in your purse.
So I thought she...
That wasn't hers.
Oh, it wasn't hers?
I told her to she kept reaching in her purse. Told her to quit reaching.
So somebody's called you one.
Right there. Right there, right
Oh,
now.
God, here it is.
You want to take her to the county and do it?
Yeah. You don't.
I dry stunned her twice, and she didn't. I didn't really phase her.
Has she been able to get a hold of anybody?
She says that she got him.
Okay. All right, so she's able to get a hold of somebody. So why don't you two go to the jail and try to do that? We'll stand by for the wrecker and her ride, which is about 10 to 15 minutes out. I'm sure she.
Call my husband.
At the jail.
No, we all know how that goes. Please, ma'am, grab my cell phone and let my husband know that my 3-year-old is in his hands right now. What the fuck do I pay my taxes?
Hey, Cody. Hey, give him the warning. She's still pretty hyped up.
You all right? You need to document. Oh my gosh, you need to document that. That's battery. What, she kick you?
Yeah, when I went down.
She kept kicking?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I did battery second on the police. Yeah. We'll take pictures of that. That's battery second. She kicked her, so she's pretty hyped up. Ready?
Hey, Miss Megan.
Can I get out?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. How should I step out so I don't offend y'all?
Hey, you're good. I like your
Okay.
outfit, by the way. You just
Okay.
put your legs out. Come on.
All right, we're gonna go slow. I don't want to offend y'all.
But you're good. Come on.
Okay, just tell me where to go.
Just follow
Don't-
me this way.
Abuse me.
Okay.
going, ma'am.
Leave her alone. Let's go. You're with
Miss
us.
Moreover, her refusal to submit to breathalyzer or sobriety tests severely constituted Florida Statute 322.26.2615, which mandates an automatic 1-year driver's license suspension for the first refusal and 18 months for subsequent refusals. If convicted of her first DUI offense under Florida Statute 316.159, she could face penalties including fines ranging from $500 to $1,000, up to 6 months in jail, 50 hours of community service, 1 year of probation, and a license suspension of 6 to 12 months. If her blood alcohol concentration, BAC, exceeded 0.15%, or if a child was in the vehicle, enhanced penalties would apply.
User.
Hey, you're with us now, man.
Thank you. Are you gonna take care of me?
Yes, ma'am. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you in here. I'm going to take your cuffs off. Do you have anything on you or in you that I need to know about? Because
No.
it will go off
No.
in this machine.
I'm pretty much totally naked. Tell that woman with no hair that she needs some respect.
Hold on to the bars. Be very still. You're going to go that way and then come back. It's going to take 7 seconds. Do not move.
Wait, I go that way?
You'll go that way and then you'll move back this way.
I have
Don't
no idea
move.
what that means.
Just be still.
Guys, around, stand still.
Hold around.
Stay still.
Come this way. Listen to me, Megan. She's going to be dealing with you.
No, I won't deal with her. Hey, I am a local in Mountain Home. I pay my taxes and I will not deal with a rude motherfucker.
So you're going to refuse her test?
What test?
They're going to have to do a BAC on you.
She's scary.
He'll be here the whole
Look at
time.
you. You ain't got no hair.
Ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
She's scared.
Ma'am, listen.
You're rude as fuck.
Megan.
I will not tolerate
Megan.
that type of treatment. I am still a human. I fucking pay my taxes. I live here and you are rude as shit.
Megan.
Rude.
You're
Megan.
being kind of rude now, Megan.
Well, what? Because I'm speaking my mind.
No,
You're
will
yelling.
you talk to me? She's not yelling at you. She's not yelling at you. I'm not yelling at you.
I will not deal with her. Put someone else in here.
What if I go in there with you? Will you? She'll have to be in there. 'cause
I
she's
want to cooperate.
in there with
I
you.
will.
I'll go in there too, but she has to do her test because I can't do that test. Okay?
You make sure she's nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.
During a search, police discovered a firearm in the vehicle, which heightened the potential danger of the situation. Fortunately, the passenger in the car did not intervene, preventing further escalation.
Megan?
Sit down.
Megan, sit down for me.
Please sit down.
You want to say please?
No, ma'am.
Then I will not talk to her. She doesn't want to talk to
So
me
you're
nicely.
refusing?
She is not going to be respectful.
She doesn't have to say please though. They're an officer.
Listen, Megan. Listen to us. She hasn't said anything to you, and you're already mouthing off to her.
Why are you
So-
guys being mean?
We're not being mean. All she
You
has to
think
do
you got
is
a power trip?
So you understand your rights. Then I'm going to ask you to do my test. You can either refuse or do it, all right? And then after that's done, you're going with her.
So, Megan, I'm going to be
Thank
honest.
you for talking to me.
Megan.
Okay, that's it.
Don't be
That's
rude.
what she
Okay,
was trying to
Megan.
do, Megan.
The faster,
I will sit down.
the
Okay.
faster we get through
But
this.
you know what? You should look at how you treat people in
Okay,
the
you're
future.
allowed to bear with me, okay?
The quicker we get through this, the less time you got to deal with her,
Oh,
okay?
all right.
You're advised that any person who operates or is in actual physical control of a motorboat or motor vehicle in the state is deemed to have more chemical tests of his or her breath, saliva, or urine. An actual
So should I
physical
ask for
control
an attorney at
of
this
a
point?
motorboat. This
not-
is not admitting guilt.
It's not admitting guilt. She,
Well, what are y'all doing? I'm
give your driver's
scared.
license.
I'm scared. I feel like I need an attorney.
Megan,
You don't need
take
an
a
attorney
deep
for
breath.
this.
Take a deep breath, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to show you this form.
Y'all are scaring me. I just you tased me, and I didn't want any of this.
Megan, I'm trying to show you what it says.
I don't know.
It says
I can't read it because you tased me. I want an attorney. I want my husband.
are you refusing this test, Megan?
I don't know. I'm so scared. I'm so scared of all of you.
This is a statement of rights form. All this is me telling you what your
Possession of a firearm while committing certain offenses could result in enhanced penalties under Florida Statute 790.23, which prohibits individuals under legal investigation or arrest for certain crimes from possessing a firearm. If charged with this offense, it can be classified as a second-degree felony, punishable by up to 15 years in prison, 15 years of probation, and fines of up to $10,000. Additionally, this discovery could lead to further scrutiny under federal and state firearm laws, especially if the weapon was not lawfully owned or carried.
Rights are at this
Right.
point in time.
That's my rights.
So will you listen to me while I read them?
Read your red tape.
Okay.
You little lion sheep.
It is
I
driving
didn't do
over-
anything wrong.
Well, there was an alcohol bar in the... All we're asking is if you want to take this drug test.
Yes or no?
Can I have some water?
Not,
No,
I
you
can't
gotta
have
take
it.
the
You
test
gotta
first.
take the
No,
test.
you guys. I need a cup of water to calm the f down.
That's all this test is saying. It's up to you whether
Yeah,
you want to
well,
do a breath test.
all you guys do is.
I'm not trying to fuck you. I'm reading you your rights.
Yeah. Welcome to Mountain Home. I feel like I need an attorney.
Okay, so we're going to put it as a refusal.
If you want an attorney, you don't want no test.
And what does a test do?
You've already refused. Let's go.
Because he didn't accept it.
All right, tow truck's here. You need you to step out.
Alyssa,
You need to step out.
get your purse and everything.
Sure can.
We'll go hang out over here and wait for your ride to get here. Like, she had no clue what was going on. Like, I think she was surprised that I was standing there. I was like, what's wrong with you? Why is your friend so fired up? And she said, what? I don't know. I said, you don't see her fighting with 4 officers? No, I didn't see any of that.
In the end, the woman's bail was set at $5,000, and she faces multiple charges, including DUI, resisting an officer, second-degree battery, and refusing to submit to a BAC test. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of drinking and driving, compounded by defiance and aggression. Such reckless actions not only endanger others, but also carry significant legal consequences. No one is above the law, and poor decisions under the influence always come with a heavy price. Now, let's take a closer look at the next unfolding drama.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hi, my name's Deputy Rammer, 4th County Sheriff's Office. Do you mind just standing for me real quick? At this time, you're not under arrest. You're just being detained until we can further investigate what's going on. Can you turn around, put your hands behind your back, please?
Thanks for joining us. On February 16th, 2023, police were called to a bank after staff reported a woman attempting to open an account using a false identity.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hi, my name's Deputy Rammer, 4th County Sheriff's Office. Do you mind just standing for me real quick? At this time, you're not under arrest. You're just being detained until we can further investigate what's going on. Can you turn around? Okay. Thank you. You're just detained for the moment until we can figure out what's going on, okay? Thank you. 3280 radio. When to take. You want to just start the seat for me? On your bag. Okay. So the staff here.
80 Joey, 1025 South Creek.
Temple. At this time, they have reason to believe that you're attempting to open a fraudulent account. I'm here to investigate that. Once my investigation is through, we'll try to determine what to do from there. Okay, okay. Do you have an ID on you?
Yes.
He has it? Okay. Here, you can put that down. There you go. You'll double lock the handcuffs so that they don't, if they tighten up, then they'll hurt you. So, just stand for me. Not too tight or anything? No. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry?
Wait, go somewhere else. This is weird.
Well, we'll just wait here for my backup. I'd rather have you in a contained space at the present time. Thank you. 3280 radio. Can you run a license by a woman?
Go ahead, 1047.
So what is the problem?
One more time.
What's the problem?
So we got a call here. How you doing, sir? Good. So she's in detained for this at this time, but everything's good here. If you want to keep going.
No worries. I was out of cuffs anyway.
Okay. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Okay. I got her ID. Do you have any documentation that says what was going on?
Just, Will.
We contacted our security investigator to verify the social and the driver's license.
Okay.
And she spoke with the person who lives in Alabama.
Okay. Okay. All right. Do you mind if we take the check for evidence, or do you guys need for just the account?
Yes, just once.
The social?
The social.
3280
Good.
10-4, that's New Orleans coming back to an Amber Milner Carney out of Tucker, Georgia. Class C expired, -10.
10-4. Good, how are you?
3214, you need to wrap it up anyway, or I don't know.
You remember our
Just now 1023 on that.
Yeah.
Y'all make sure that crosswalk is checked too.
I need a meeting with whoever.
Above Holly? Okay. I would have to speak with her actually.
Okay, she there?
Well, we're in the middle of an interview right now, so can I have her give you a call?
Yeah, why don't you have her
Let me
give me a
just
call?
make sure that we have, just give me your number, that way call you, obviously, you know, patient, so. And is it parking back?
Yeah, good morning.
She's the one that ran the social.
Okay.
And the social is a different person that lives in, I guess she's probably a white lady that lives in the campus. That would be.
The thing is,
Come out there, we will see.
I've got to do
But she will be able to get you that information as far as like the social. And direction and all. Okay. But yeah, you can see what question is this?
yeah, see, it's not to do with the rest.
And I remember.
Okay. How do you get, because our parents don't be here. Yeah, they don't be here, so she can pull that. That's the lady right here.
All right, man.
Man, we'll step in here.
We'll step in here, and then I'm going to read you something real quick, okay?
I'll grab your purse for you.
Our cameras are on, so. All right. Just want to have a seat real quick. I'm going to read you your Miranda rights, okay? This time, we're going to be placing you under arrest. And then, with that, let me get this out here. You have I have to make you aware of this, okay? So, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand your rights as I've explained them to you?
Yes.
You are? Okay. All right.
I'm going to tell you, I'm Corporal Roberts, okay? It's procedure that we read you that, okay, because you're in handcuffs. But I guess we want to get your side of the story, what's going on today. Can you start from the beginning, what's going on?
I'm running from somebody.
I'm sorry?
I said I'm running from somebody, so I know.
What brought you to the bank today?
So I can have a bank account. I put my money, have a cash.
Where'd you park at?
I got dropped off.
Who dropped you off?
Live.
Left it? Where'd they drop you off at?
Right?
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you come in here to open a new account. Did you use somebody else's information or something?
I just have a friend who was able, I asked if I could get another identity.
Or somebody? So you used somebody else's information?
I actually didn't.
Absolutely.
3214 and all 35.
Who was this then?
I don't.
You found the ID?
No, somebody got me that because they knew I was trying to.
So do you know this person?
That person?
Yeah.
No.
So, obviously you're in possession of somebody's ID, okay? We're going to contact this person. Are they going to know you? So how did you get this ID?
There's a person named, his name is Weezy.
How do you spell that, man?
W-I.
Just W-E-H-E-E-Z-Y? I'll go with that. Where did you meet Wheezy at?
Through a mutual friend.
Okay. Second, 3201 negative on that device.
Mutual. Okay. And what was your birthday one more time?
What's that?
Is that how you spell your name, Ashley Bennett?
Yes.
Okay.
If you want to run that video there. So.
Here, 280 ready.
Are you from Georgia or?
3280.
Can you run a name and date of birth for me, please? First name's going to be Ashley, Alpha, Sierra, Hotel, Lima, Echo, Yankee, Tango. Date of birth.
When confronted, she claimed she was fleeing someone and needed a new identity. Despite her explanation, officers detained her for further investigation. She admitted to possessing another person's ID and mentioned receiving the ID from a person named Wheezy, who had driven her in a white Tesla and provided additional documents. Her actions constituted a violation of bank fraud law under 18 U.S. Code SS 1344, which prohibits using false information, impersonation, or deceit to obtain money or assets from a financial institution. By attempting to open an account using false identification and documents, she engaged in fraudulent activities explicitly covered under this federal statute. Penalties for bank fraud under this law can be severe, with offenders facing up to 30 years in prison and fines up to $1 million, depending on the offense's severity, financial losses caused, and the offender's criminal history. Additionally, restitution to affected financial institutions may be ordered to cover any incurred damages.
Okay, so where do you stay at?
I stay here on the Facebook.
Alright, it's going to need your address.
100 Briar Lake Court.
Briar Lake Court. And that is, okay, how'd you end up over here? You may have already asked that, but it's a bit.
I had to get the ID.
Okay, so you came here to pick up the ID and then you got a lift here? Okay. Where'd you get the, I'm sorry, where'd you get the ID from? Okay.
Like,
You don't know the area. Okay.
Obviously.
Radio 3280, 1012.
Good.
10-4, goes by to Ashley Bennett, Fayetteville, Georgia. Class C suspended, negative guns.
Good deal. You said you got to pick up by lift. When you have other deputies here that, review camera footage. Mine would be obstruction.
I've seen her without the mask yet.
That's your lift car right there? Is that car occupied?
The one I parked behind? No.
Do you mind just, if I take the mask off here real quick? Okay. Just gonna verify. My bad. There you go. Yep. You want me to put it back on? Or?
Yeah.
Okay. This might be, okay. Just let it hang there. Yeah.
That's the second one you ran.
Yeah, that's the second one?
Mm-hmm.
I thought that was the first one.
That's
the one on the ID.
Bennett?
Yeah, okay.
3250, 41.
So they gave you a car and they dropped you off here.
We went over to Quick Trip.
Yeah, just across the street. Okay.
And we went to I don't know. I can just give this info. I don't.
Okay.
I'm in a situation.
I got you. Okay. You mentioned, you don't have to answer this, but you mentioned you have kids, or you're just trying to get away from that whole situation.
So just to confirm that car is yours, that black car?
That's not good. Do you know what Lyft company it was? I guess if you picked it up from somewhere, it would have been.
He said it's a Lyft, so in it, I don't see any like Lyft
Stickers or anything? Yeah. Okay.
So, I'm not sure.
Okay.
It's either a Lyft or Uber
or Uber or something.
Some rideshare company.
And they dropped you off at Quick Trip?
No, we went to Quick Trip. That's where we met, and then we drove around. He told me about the ID or whatever, and then he said you could open one right there at Legion's if you need an account.
What color was the car?
What car? That he was in? White. It's a white Tesla.
A white going to the front? Do you have the stolen?
Roberts had it last time. Thought they scanned it already. Okay.
Get to the person.
Yeah, you did. Yeah.
Should obviously be too admitted to use the phone. Name, date of birth to you. The possession of the false ID. The fraudulent account. We're going to tow the car. Okay. So we have to inventory it. If we find other documents in there, then we'll contact CID.
Okay.
The vehicle will be towed. We can silence her phone.
Just gonna silence this and
Open the thing and then just click it. So, he gave me a lot of stuff.
Okay.
And I just wanted to let y'all know that.
Is that what's in the vehicle? Okay.
Yeah.
You're in custody, like you find you. Therefore, we have to inventory the vehicle. You're saying there's other documents that he gave you in there?
Yeah, he gave me like a package.
Where's that package at?
It's in there.
Front seat, back seat?
I don't know. I think he gave me multiple so that like,
Careful.
if I wasn't able to, I could try again. So.
Okay.
Was he in the area waiting for you?
No.
Are you supposed to meet with him?
No. He just said you should be able to
go and tap.
And then I was just supposed to take the car back.
Scan on. Yeah, I've got multiple IDs in here with different names.
I appreciate your honesty, okay? And we're going to take care of you.
Simple. Can you look for a package in there as well? She mentioned that she was given some before she came down here. Should be a package with other IDs and other, she said, other items and documents that are related to this. And
Oh, not in the procedure.
Yeah.
Okay. So, bear with us. So, if you want to go through that, this is correct.
gloves are in the car. You go through this kind of in front of you, okay? I'm just looking for other IDs. Or any piece of evidence that may be related to the incident, okay?
There's another card in there.
Okay. Is it in the wallet or in the purse?
That goes with that one.
Okay.
See it?
Not yet, but.
What's the name on it?
You got that one?
Same one.
What other banks have you been to today?
First one.
Radio 3270. Next one's going to be heads 25.
Is that the only extra idea you had in your wallet and stuff?
That's the one had the ID and
Right.
a card, and then in there he gave me a package.
Okay. I don't see anything.
Like a silver.
Silver. Huh?
I don't want it on. I'm like, get it out.
I got you.
It's so stupid.
Well, like I said, I appreciate you letting us know and being straight with us. I'm not sure why I keep taking screenshots, but that's not what I'm trying to do. But
You want to answer it?
I can. I gotta remain impartial.
It's right there.
What's up?
Right there.
Where am
That
I?
one. No. This one right here.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought I was looking for another ID. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Alrighty. There's that debit card. That's you. That's
What's the passcode to your phone?
You trying to put it on vibrate?
Yeah,
You just that thing right there. You just flick it down.
Right.
See that? Open it and then flick it down. It should say silent mode on.
the cashier. So.
So I guess kind of recap what if she gets here to open an account. No funds are transferred or doing depositing funds.
I was going to just put my money in.
Just that cash that you got right there. So, was any money actually put in the account? Because usually they have to do a base number. Okay, gotcha. Oh yeah. Is this picture you?
Huh?
Is this picture you? Okay. I thought so, but they came back. Well, what'll happen is, I think he's still searching the car, but we'll try to get you out of here, get you over to our county jail. When you get there, make sure to get any phone numbers you need
Yeah,
out of your phone.
I was asking if I could do that because my phone was about to die.
Gotcha.
What's it on?
I don't think it even has a number there.
Slide the
thing down. 3%. Yeah. So, here. You think it'll turn back on if I turn it off at 3%?
I hope so. Or if I could just write the number down now.
Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay. What context do you want to write down?
T-bone.
Yeah. Do I have permission to just go into your contacts?
T.
T-bone. I'm just gonna write down the number there. 652 3182. All right. Any other ones?
No. I kind of want to tell. I wish I could give some of his dues or to tell him. Oh, absolutely.
All right. I won't go through your phone. We need a warrant for all that, and I'm not getting myself tied up.
You could turn it off.
Okay.
Bottom one in the side.
Like that. Okay. All right. There you go. I'll leave this with you. Make sure we don't forget it. I'll just put it in your left pocket, okay?
I've already asked him also, but you don't have enough time here. It will be documented. This is the vehicle. The vehicle is going to be impounded. Our protocol is we have our CID directors come out here, and they'll be able to speak to you further and kind of let you know the process and what they're able to do as far as that. Okay. Yeah, so it will probably lock that in the trunk.
Okay.
You can take her phone home, and that way you have your phone numbers and stuff like that.
Yes, but my question is if that is like a rented car, how does that work?
What's the rental from?
I don't know. I have
So
to
it's not
ask
rented
him.
to you? You
So do you have
didn't-
the 3240
Who rented it?
The Wheezy guy?
I said I needed, like, knew everything, and then this is his like situation.
So this probably the first time he's done something like this, but I mean, you just made a mistake and got caught.
I fell victim to my situation.
It happens.
You've been nothing but cooperative and we appreciate that. Okay, it goes a long way.
Left my phone in the car. I'm gonna go call this lady. And see.
They've already done that?
They already did? Okay.
I'll get that figured out here in a minute.
Okay.
He's doing the tow sheet inventory thing.
Gotcha.
So you want to do that?
Okay.
Let's get me to rise. We'll brief under that.
I gotcha.
Which jail am I going to?
Forsyth County. Forsyth County Jail. I used to work there a few years. It's actually not a bad jail compared to some of them. So.
I'm trying to figure out how does this work.
Yeah, so you'll probably see the judge tomorrow at around, I think they changed it to the morning. So around 9 o'clock in the morning, give or take, something like that. You go.
Saturday court, because I know that I've heard that, like, if you get locked up on the weekend, you don't see anybody till next week.
No. So it'll be either tomorrow, our jail's pretty quick. So either be tomorrow morning, if not at the very latest Saturday morning. They'll go over your charges. We'll see if you get a bond or not. It's just
the stuff like this
financial.
Bond.
Yeah, and that's why, you know, when you write down your phone numbers.
Go to court and I can just tell them.
Yeah. You do. I mean, I can't give you any legal advice, but you plead your case on what's going on. So.
32, 30,
I don't know what he has going on, but I just had to talk to y'all about it.
You're more than welcome.
I can get to my kids.
Yeah. If you don't mind me asking, so he was doing this, he got you the ID and everything, and you may want to tell us. Okay.
So that's why I was like, that's kind of weird.
Well, I guess my question is, so he does this for you, what exactly, and you may just want to tell the detectives this, you don't have to tell me.
I asked him, and I think he just kind of used my face.
Okay. All right.
And I think he was trying to, like, get me to do a little more, but get out the way what I needed, which was just to have an ID and create my truest account and see where I'm at, type thing.
Okay. All right. That's all I'll ask for now with the detectives. Asking you other questions.
After this is done, I don't know how to, like, oh, you got what you want now, I need you to do this for me.
Right. Oh, yeah, I was wondering
where it was going to go.
Okay.
I was like, yeah, I'm looking for a job, but I don't want a job under Ashley. So,
gotcha.
And it's like, well, we'll talk about it. You go handle your business.
3270, 10 on.
And we're so like, okay, so that's the rental. Say the rental company gets their car. Do y'all keep my stuff?
We inventory it, so if it's all your property, we have to inventory it. We can't, unless it's related to the crime, and right, it's still everything else, purses, phones, whatever. If it's not related to that crime, we can't seize it. So it's yours. It gets held for an amount of time.
It's not mine, like the car.
If it's not yours, then I mean we impound it, and then we contact who we need to contact. But so.
So they probably won't get their car back on time until.
Yeah, the rental company most likely not. Honestly, I don't know. But most likely that's going to be the case. So, did you know what time it had to be?
I just wanted, like, can y'all just take my stuff?
No.
If anything, I can just get my stuff and the car can stay.
And there's no rental agreement paper or anything in there, or
for that?
For the, yeah,
there probably is in the
like in the glove box or something.
They probably have their where it's from.
Yes, ma'am.
Our supervisor, our security person, just asked that when the detectives get here, if they could call her.
Okay.
on, let me look at, I'm gonna verify the numbers. Hold on, just a second.
Open a chicken so this
Don't let the larger amount. You wouldn't have to worry about that. This one is saying, I doubt we have four.
Did you make a call for me?
I can't. Sorry. You trying to figure out the kid's situation?
Yeah, everything. So I could get out of here and do a lawyer as fast as possible.
Okay.
Not have him be able to look. $32.40.35. Clear code 4. What's going on?
Oh, it's just hurry up and wait around here. We're waiting on detectives to show up. So.
During questioning, the woman explained that Wheezy encouraged her to use the false ID for opening the account, asserting it would prevent her pursuer from tracking her. Officers retrieved various IDs and documents from her vehicle. She cooperated with authorities, explaining that she had only intended to create an account for personal security purposes.
And she bought the vehicle from a guy named Wheezy. They drove in a white-colored, what was the white Tesla? The white Tesla that they were initially in, and they drove around, and then they rented that vehicle out there, and she came back here.
Which one's her actual address? So these are both her names.
Her address is 100 Briar Lake Court.
So this is her actual ID?
Those are my IDs. Is that what he has?
Yeah, he got the ones from the
The
car.
other one is my mom's old address, so the 100 Briar Lake is my current.
Okay. All right, so these are the detectives. They're gonna ask you some questions.
Ashley. Okay, my name's Jake. This is Detective Blakeham. Really want to talk to you.
Yes.
Okay, you willing to do that?
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna finish up with some stuff outside real quick, and then we'll arrange to get you transported up there. We'll talk for a little bit.
So are you?
Kind of.
Have you seen a situation like this before?
A few times. Usually we don't catch them.
Huh?
Usually it's harder to. Usually you guys are already gone by the time we show up. But seen it a few times, usually in this area, because we're talking about fraud, so it's most likely going to be, if I'm not mistaken, a felony, but I'll have to double check on that. Felonies for something like this, a couple grand, something like that. And it just depends on, was she the only lawyer anyway?
Depends on how many they find.
Yeah, so it's just going to depend on whether or not that's going to be charge by charge by charge, or if they're just going to do in one fell swoop, or what. So like usually our bonding companies take 10 to 15% of whatever the judge puts on the warrant. If you have someone come in and do it with cash, but if you use a bonding company, you do. You need a cosigner. So, and they have to be of a certain age as well.
That's having the whole thing if you find out cash, right? Is the phone free?
Yeah. Phone's free. You can get as many phone calls as you like, as long as you... Basically, jail staff's pretty cool. If you're just cool with them, if you're respectful like you were with us, just go in there. Can be somewhat of a lengthy process. There are a lot of people that get arrested every day, barring any big incidents that happen. So
now I'm thinking, I'm just like,
yeah. And when you get to jail, I mean, I know I gave you that one number, but you'll be able to write them down yourself. So just say, hey, can I look at my phone? Let me get all the phone numbers that I want out of here.
That's the tools for the house I'm working on, and I don't want them
Oh, okay.
to take those.
Gotcha.
Take everything that man gave me, and everything that he made me do, just leave it to him. I'm nervous, so he drove me around. I guess I can't tell you.
He drove you around?
Because he just drove me around to tell me to quick trip. He drove somewhere else. I want to use the bathroom. And he said, you go right there to the region and get a bank account. You should be. He said, when you're done, hit me up so you can take the car back and then just Uber home.
Gotcha.
So my brain is like, y'all come up here, answer this phone, and call again.
Yeah. Can we go ahead and get her transported to South, please?
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Yep. You want to put this in your truck? Okay. I'll grab this. So that one. Actually, hold on to this. All right. So I'm just going to take you to South Precinct.
Is there anything in here that you need? Medication?
Just take it right. Okay.
the hell?
Go ahead. So you see that seatbelt over there? You just hand that to me, I'll plug it in there. There you go. Thanks. You alright?
What is it?
I ate these things.
Ultimately, she was transported to the precinct, informed about the judicial process and her right to contact family members. She was charged with bank fraud due to the attempted use of false identification and documents to establish a fraudulent account. Did you think the officers handled this case effectively? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed watching today's episode and want more real-life law enforcement action, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Cop's Dream. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with the latest cases, insights, and police stories we bring to you every week. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.